and then use toolbox, this check toolbox library and toolbox utility, and then click OK. And click Ctrl N or new document, and then select assembly template. In the assembly template, you can click cancel. Now you can use the toolbox by the right in the design library section. In the design library, you can see the bow symbol or toolbox. Click at the toolbox. After the click, you can see the folder of the toolbox. The folder of the toolbox is the standard of the toolbox. For example, I double click at DIN standard. You can see bearing, bolt and screw, key, nut, o-ring, pin, power transmission, retaining ring, structural member, and washer. For first, I describe about how to use bolt. Double click at the bolt and select the type of bolt, and go to the standard bolt and click at the bolt and drag out. After you drag mouse to the design area, you can set size of the bolt, and you can set length of the bolt. The 3 display, you can select simplify, cosmetic or schematic. When you select cosmetic, the shade of the thread is shown, and if you select schematic, the shade of the screw is realistic. Okay. After finish, you can click cancel, and now you can right click at the bolt and open part, and now you can save as your part by your name, and save as your location. Okay, this is the example of how to use the toolbox. And then the thread and hole. The thread and hole is the standard design tool in SOLIDWORKS. I will show how about to use. I click at the part template and then select the top plan or any plan to sketch and use extrude boss base and click OK, and click at the hole wizard. Use hole wizard to select the standard of the hole and select the size and end condition and treat and click the position, and now you can use the point command for make the hole. You can right click and select and use the smart dimension for relocate. Sorry, 1 inch and 1 inch, and then 2 inch and 2 inch. Yeah, you can select and delete if you don't need, and click OK. This is the standard hole of the SolidWorks. And then I will show you how to use treat command. I make the rod 1 inch diameter and tall of the top is 2 inch, and now I use treat command. This is the notification of before use treat location, and this is the end condition treat location. This is the under optional start from surface, from vertex, edge or planar. This is the initial angle of the tree. Yeah, you can see the direction of tree is changed, and the end condition you can use blind or revolution or up to selection. I use revolution and select type 10 revolution. Select The size of the thread is M24 plus 2.0 and click OK. This is the thread of the SOLIDWORKS, and hole and thread is okay. And the last, I will show you how about to use weldment profile. Click close and click new again, new part again, and then go to option and go to file location and click at the weldment profile. Weldment profile, and select add. I select the desktop and click select folder and click OK and click yes. After you click setting the template location, weldment template location, you can click at the design library and click at the SolidWorks content and then click at the weldment folder and select the standard of the steel structure profile and click Ctrl, press the Ctrl and click. The new window is show, and then click select folder. After finish download, you can go to your folder and extract file. This is the standard weldment profile. Go to the SolidWorks and make the sketch. I select the top plane and make the sketch rectangular about this and click exit sketch, and then go to weldment. If your program don't show the weldment shortcut at here, you can right click and select weldment at here and then select structure member and then select GIS, and select size. GIS. This is something wrong about the plate. I make the new folder and select the weldment. Rename to the weldment profile and drag the GIS to the weldment folder and go to SolidWorks again and click structural member again. Yeah, GIS type. Yeah, and click the sketch. This is the standard tool in SolidWorks about design library. This is the powerful tools in SolidWorks for help you to design something today. Goodbye. Good luck.